I want to use this medium to thank all those that encouraged me in the previous video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You don't know how much effect your words had on me at the time. Thank you very much. I was emotionally overwhelmed. I couldn't control it. I thought I could. But I'm better now. I'm better now. Thank you very much. I appreciate. The first reason why I regret getting instant locks is the sudden change in texture. As someone who has soft, luscious hair and I love to touch my hair is my best friend, you get. And whenever anxious and I touch my hair, it makes me feel better. But after getting instant locks, the sudden change of texture was just insane. Even though I'd already told my loctician to not crochet too hard, I believe she tried her best, but it was still hard. It was still hard. It was still hard. I couldn't do with it anymore. The second reason why I regret getting instant locks is I attached my shed hair. As a loose natural, I used to save my shed hair because I was so attached and obsessed with my hair that even to let go of my shed hair was a problem. So for years I've been keeping my shed hair. So when I got locks, I thought it twice to attach my shed hair to it, which my loctician agreed to. But after my first wash day, I the it started detaching from the locks connected to my scalp. It started detaching and it was really horrific. It was horrific. I think it's an error from the side of my loctician. Whatever reason it is, I it was part of the reason I regret it. The third reason I regret getting instant lock is this I have botlet hair, okay? So I was expecting, okay, when I get locks, at least my hair, I know that I don't expect it to still be at my butt or something because it will obviously shrink. So I said, okay, at least my back, my mid back or upper back, my hair will reach there. After getting locks, it was on my neck length. I was like, wait, I was not just getting it. I was not just getting it. I was not just getting it. Because I see videos of other people with short hair getting locks, and when they lock it, it will look stretched. Do you get like African trading? So why am I getting my own locks and my length is even shorter than I expected? It was weird. So my loctician told me because of the texture of my hair, I have 4A hair, 4A and 4B. So that's why instead of it to look longer, it's going to look shorter because there is no much shrinkage. Um, just so before you get locks, okay, before you get locks, make sure you are sure of what you really want. I was sure I wanted locks, but I didn't. I wanted traditional locks, medium traditional locks, okay. And I didn't want to go through the hurdles of unraveling. So that's why I didn't want to use the starter method like twist. So I went for crochet instead, but I couldn't deal with it. I couldn't deal with it for the reasons I've already shared. So 1 week later, I had to take down the locks. I had to take it down. And I don't know if I should say I regret taking it down because what came after was even more horrific. I'll share more details in the next video. See you. Thank you.